Girl, it's giving I'm every woman for every brown-eyed girl. Okay, let's try on these contacts. Okay, let's go. Thank you, HANiiX, for sending over this packaging. Girl, when you first open the box, it says, hey, beautiful, because, hey, girl, how you doing? So we have our contact tools. We have a handheld mirror. We have a powder puff for under the eye. And girl, first let's talk about this packaging because it's beautiful. Underneath that, it has the removal process. It has the contacts and the contacts case inside of it. First contact is Aegean Sea Green. I hope I'm saying that right. Second is Himalaya Blue. And third, we have Crush Gray. So the first thing that you want to do when you get your contact lenses, you want to prepare them in your own solution. The solution that's in the contact lens package usually burns when you first put your contacts on, so you have to prepare them 8 to 10 hours before you wear them, and it's best that you use your own solution that you are comfortable with. So speaking of contact solution, you want to make sure you get the right solution for your eyes. For example, I have dry eyes, so I'm going to lean more toward contact lens solution that's for dry eyes. Listen, finding the right contact solution makes the difference. So now we're going to take the contact lenses out of the packaging and place them into our cases. Remember, you do not want to directly put the lenses in your eye after you take them out of the package because it will burn your eye. So you want your lenses to sit in your contact lens case for at least 8 to 10 hours. So now it's time to close our contact lens case. You want to close your case tight enough to where the contact lens solution doesn't spill out, but you also don't want it too tight to where you can't open it, girls. So just be mindful how you close or secure your contact lens case. So girl, now that we've secured the contact lens in this case, girl, it's time to put our contact lenses back where it came from. Put stuff back where you found it, okay? So that you can find it again and know where it's at, okay? So we want to make sure that we put our contact lens back in the case so we know the name of the contact lens when we get to it. Girl, so now it's time to try on these contacts while my cat tried to get my attention from underneath the door. But girl, we move. We got stuff to do. So we're starting off with Aegean Sea Green. I hope I'm saying that correctly. So I'm actually going to show y'all how I put my contacts on. So first, girl, you want to get your contacts out your contact lens case. Amen. And what I like to do, I like to wipe the excess solution off because if it's too juicy, it's going to make my eye burn. So I lift my lid up with my index finger on my left hand side. I pull down my eyelid with my ring finger on my right side and use my index finger on my right side to place that contact in. Girl, and them contacts look good. Okay, girl? Girl, first of all, these contact lenses are comfortable. It didn't even feel like anything was in my eye, girl. And listen, I've been trying to look for contact lenses that are not that far away from the color of my actual eye color, but girl, still give me a little pizzazz, a little spice, a little razzle dazzle, and that's what it gives me, girl. Okay, so we're going to place the other contact in our eye and see what both lenses look like together. And girl, I'm just gonna tell you, it look good. Okay, girl. And just a friendly reminder, you do not have to put your contacts in exactly how I put my contacts in, okay? Do what feels right to you, girl. And boom, just like that. Girl, I'm telling you, like, listen, these contacts are too cute, okay? And I haven't had a good green contact in a while. I honestly didn't think I was actually going to like these color contacts because when you see them on the website and when you see them on you, girl, it could be two totally different things. But girl, proved you wrong, didn't I? Like, the color is just enough and it's so subtle, but it's giving what it's supposed to give at the same time because girl, who knew you can look too cute with these green color contacts? But technically, whenever I put these contacts in, they look blue. So they look like a bluish green. I think that's what it's going for, but I didn't really see it like that. But now I see that it got blue and green in it, and it really look good. I'm sorry to tell you, girl, I look good and I wear these contacts out. I have not stopped wearing these contacts since I got them, girl. So because I don't like touching my eye when I take my contact lenses out, I'm gonna show y'all how I take them out, okay? It's not the traditional way, but it's a way to take them out. So I literally try to roll my eyes and let the contact fall out. I know it's not the greatest, but it works sometimes, okay? Now, it's not really comfortable. Sometimes it's uncomfortable, and sometimes the contact take forever to come out. But then there's time where the contacts will easily come out, okay? And girl, when that contact come out, I feel so free, girl, okay? Then after you put your contact back in your case, you're just gonna tighten it up. Remember, adjust it and secure it so that the contact lens solution is not spilling out. It's nothing like a cracked, girl, it's nothing like a cracked contact lens to go in your eye because your solution spilled out of your case. So girl, be careful and make sure that that contact case is secure. So the next contact that we're going to try on is Himalaya Blue. Now see, with these contacts, girl, I already had a love for blue contacts, but this brought it to a whole nother level. Like, it's as subtle as the green ones before, but it's just like, I'm there, but I don't want you to know I'm there. But I'm there, girl, and I'm cute. Okay, now I've tried plenty of blue contacts, okay, girl, and they dried out my eyes. These contacts, girl, look cute. Like, the green ones were very comfortable, and you see they almost look like slightly blue and gray, like the green look gray and blue. Now I wanted to keep this part in the video because there's sometimes that your contact is going to bother you, so I had to quickly remove the contact out of my eye. Listen, it is okay if your contacts feel uncomfortable to take them out real quick and then put them back in. Listen, girl, an uncomfortable contact lens is like needles in your eye. So girl, if you got to take them lenses out and put them back in at least 3 or 4 times, girl, do that, because that pain is really unbearable and your contact lens can't crack in your eye like that. So girl, do what you got to do to make sure that these lenses that are in your eyes are comfortable. Girl, now back to how cute these contact lenses look in my eye. Girl, it's too cute. It's too cute, because who gonna tell me these ain't my eyes? Who gonna tell me I wasn't born with this eye color? Nobody, because I look too cute, girl. I didn't think I was gonna like this blue like that. Like, out of all the blue contacts that I've gotten, I've only gotten 2. These are my favorite ones. These hands down are my favorite ones because, like I said, it's subtle, but at the same time, it's just like, I'm here, girl. I've arrived, okay? And I'm gonna let you know that I'm here, girl. Okay, smile for me, daddy. What you looking at? I'm looking at your contacts. You looking at my contacts? Yeah, I know that's not the words, but girl, look at these contacts. I'm sorry. Just look. Just be mesmerized because it's really cute. And once again, these contact lenses are comfortable. Once again, I've tried blue contact lenses and they were not comfortable, but these are comfortable. And it's something about blue contacts and being African American, okay? It's a great combination and I'm so grateful for it, okay? So girl, if you are my skin color and you wanted to try blue contacts, this is your sign to go try them blue contacts. Girl, don't be afraid. We look good in them too. Some of us are born with it, okay? Try them. The third and last contacts are Crush Gray. Now girl, I was a little iffy, girl, when I saw them because I've only tried 3 different gray contacts, and the way this one looked, I was like, this may not work out. But girl, I put them in my eyes and I said, oh, okay. We so icy, because it looked real icy. I've never tried gray contacts like this that was that icy and that out there. Now, these gray contacts are not subtle, girl. They hear and they saying, listen, I'm not going nowhere. I don't care what you say. But they're really cute. I was just like, listen, whenever the Lord blessed me with my man and he want me to look like Storm, these contacts made me feel like I'm every woman, all of them. So if he ever want me to be a different woman, listen, I could be Storm from X-Men for you, especially with these contacts. But I'm used to subtle contacts. I'm not saying I don't like these contacts. They're very bright and out there, but it's not something I would wear all the time. But if I want to feel a little spicy, girl, I'm gonna put them on. Girl, once again, these contacts were comfortable, okay? They popped into my eyes like, girl, boom. Like, we comfortable, we're here to stay. But girl, even though these contacts were really bright, I really felt cute in them. I really did. Like, it's really cute, and it makes me love the fact that there's options to change your eye color. Not that you hate your eye color, but I'm glad that there's options to change your eye color if you just want to switch up and try something new. And these are real out there for me, okay? I'm used to the gray contacts that are a little subtle, okay, a little darker. It's cute, but it's not contacts that I would wear on an everyday basis, because it's too out there, but it's still cute, girl. So that's the end of today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and shout out one more time to HANIiX for sending your girl contacts for brown eyes. Make sure you use my code to get 20% off your contacts. Go down in the comment section below. Let me know what contact lens company you would like me to try next, okay? But always remember that you're flavored with a favor. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.